Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed parents and cherished students, welcome to this year's Virtues Assembly, a momentous occasion where we come together to celebrate the principles and values that make up our character. Throughout the academic year, students have embarked on a journey of personal and intellectual growth through our CD programs, also known as character development.
In a world often bustling with challenges, our commitment to nurturing not just academic excellence, but also virtues are paramount. These virtues are the moral compass that guides us, are a bedrock of a well-rounded education. Today we take pride in reflecting on the virtues, the invaluable lessons learned, and virtues embraced.
As we gather here today, we'd like you, our dear parents, to witness the fruits of this dedication to virtue. Students have not only excelled academically, but have also grown to be honest and resilient individuals to help this community positively.